Hi, it's Emily from WTI.
Hey, you ready to unplug and go have an adventure? Well, you need a good bag. And I'm going to tell you what, this bag from the Unplug Easy Outdoor Adventure store, this one, man, it is the top tier bag. It even has built-in backpack straps, so you can carry all your gear with you. We decided to put this through a very rigorous outdoor test to see how tough it was and what it would hold up to. So as you can see, we ran it down a zip line, we threw it into a waterfall, and you know what? This thing held up so well, and that's due in part to the extremely tough material that it's made out of. It's made out of 160D strong material. That's stronger than marine grade material. This thing didn't have a single scratch, rip, or anything on it, even through our rigorous testing. It was comfortable to wear, and it was extremely hardy. So we decided, let's put it through an even tougher waterproofing test. So we put it through a 5-minute soaking spray test, the bag and my husband. And you know what? It held up so well. Everything inside was dry. We used the proper technique for folding down the edges of the zipper, and so that it ensured the waterproofing by using that technique. This bag will hold everything. This is basically like a full weekend of car camping packed into this bag. It holds everything with space, and it kept everything dry. So you could attach this bag to your raft, your jet ski, anything, anywhere with the tie-down straps, and it's gonna hold everything, keep it dry and safe, and protect your gear. This bag passed our tests, and we love it.
That's my point of view.